Oh, yeah.
Very nice.
Race 45.
Which one?
That's what, no, it's line 3.
Oh, they're on their way.
Yep.
Caterpillar.
Really?
Come on.
Who's in the rain? Who's in this lane? Who's in the rain?
We raised Little Swell, New Swan, Forging Dragons, and then there's a team with silver jerseys.
To the far right.
Yeah.
Look at lane 4. Well, it's on an angle, so it's hard to know.
You won't know till you get closer. Just look at the boys and reference.
Yeah.
Pick the boy when they
That's,
cross.
Yeah.
It's pretty equal right now. So I think lane 2 is in front. Or no, maybe lane 3.
We're in lane 2. Come on, lane 2.
No, lane 4.
So much. No, lane 2.
Lane 4, girl. Look who's lane 4. No, which one? No, I know.
I thought you were lane 4.
Lane 4's out there, aren't they? I'm trying to fix.
Yeah.
Oh, our girls are picking up. Come on, girls. Put it in the water. Paddle in, girls. Oh, we are pulling it. I think we're pulling it.
Yeah, you are.
Lane 3's in there.
Oh, did you just see that? There was a 10 there. Come on, you gotta make it. Oh, good for you. You got a 1 here.
Come on, Rays.
Oh, stay together, stay together.
Come on. You've got a good finish. Use it. Oh, this is nerve-wracking. I can't sit on the sidelines.
Who the heck is on? It's Nola again.
Come on, raise the swell!
Nicely done. Half a boat. Go, GDs. Hit it, girls. You've almost got a full boat. Take it, take it, take it. Got the seconds count. Well done. Full boat, full boat. Take a full boat. Yes. Well done.
1. Good job, 1.
Yeah.
They came on the end.